In this video, we'll talk about how to activate Roger's SIM card. So if you have a Roger SIM card and you want to activate it to your phone, what you can do is you can just download the app, sign in, and change the SIM on your phone tab, and then change from there, and then choose the phone number that you want to switch to eSIM applicable, and you need to enter the 20-digit number from your new SIM card from Rogers. Continue and then review your details in order to submit it. So if you actually want to register using your actual website, then you can do is you can head over and then log in from there. So what you can do is you can visit Rogers.com, which is this site right here, and then change the SIM on your phone, and then a verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter that code, and then you can choose physical SIM or enter a 20-digit number from your new SIM card, and then you can save and continue. Just need to confirm activation and review your details in order to make this possible. So that's how you activate Rogers SIM card. Hope you help.